What's up? What's up? Hello, boys and girls. Okay, today, what we are doing, we are solving 1 and 2 step word problems. All right, so that is all we are doing today. We are literally taking the exact word problems that we looked at yesterday, and we are solving those. Okay? All right. So, what you're going to do, my friends, let's go back to number 1. All right? We've already done all this. We've already set up our problem. That's what we did yesterday. Okay? So, let's reread it to remember what we're doing. Mary had 42 pennies in her bank. She spent 33 of those pennies. How many pennies does she have now? All right, so we're doing 43 is how many she had. Take away how many she spent, which was 33. How many does she have now? All right, so what I need to do is subtract 42 minus 33. All right, so what you're going to do, boys and girls, let's draw our 10s and 1s. Okay, let's start off with that. Let's draw 42. And now we need to take away 33. All right, so first let's take away 3 1s. 1, my pen. 1, pen work. 1, 2, I can't take away a third. There's not a third 1 right there for me to take away. So what do? I go to my neighbor. I go next door and I say, "Excuse me, can I please borrow this?" And I take it and I bring it over to my house. All right, so now this is no longer a 10, it's a 1. And they are 10 ones because 10 ones make a 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, so now I only have these 3 10s, but I have a lot of 1s now. Okay, so now let's take away 10, or let's take away 3 right here. Let's take away 3 1s. 1, 2, 3. All right, and now let's look at 4 minus 3. Let's take, like, we had our 4, and now we're going to take away 3. Okay, so let's take away 3 from our 10s. 1, 2, 3. Oh, there goes all of our 10s. All of our 10s are gone. All right, so now let's count up how many 1s we have left. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and no 10s. So I have 9 1s left, and then of course 0 10s. So how many pennies does she have now? She has 9 pennies. Boys and girls, that is the answer. That is the difference between 42 and 33. The difference or the answer is 9. Okay? All right, so y'all, that's number 1 on your worksheet. So I just gave you the answer for number 1. All right, number 2. Keith wants 156 cupcakes for his party. Keith has already made 24 cupcakes, vanilla, and 60 fudge. All right, how many more cupcakes does Keith need to make? So we yesterday said that he wants a total of 156. He has already made 24 plus 60. He's already made 84 cupcakes because we did 4 plus 0, and that equaled 4. And then we did the 10s, 2 plus 6, and that equals 8. Okay? All right, so those are the vanilla, those were the fudge. So he has already made 84 cupcakes. So now, how many more cupcakes does Keith need to make? So we're taking the total that he wants to make, what he's already made, and we are subtracting, because how many more? We subtract, okay? When you're trying to figure out how many more, how much more bigger or how much larger is this number than this, we subtract. All right. I'm not going to do this for you. I want you to set this up and using base 10 blocks, a number line, any of our strategies. I want you to figure out what that answer is. And then you're going to tell me blank cupcakes. Okay? The difference is whatever the answer is, cupcakes. And that's what you're going to write in the box on the worksheet. Okay? All right, good job. Okay, the link that is